guys, welcome back to another episode of Dazzling Stars. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make very easy and adorable snowman. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Socks is the main item needed for making our snowman. I have taken white socks for body and red for cap and scarf. Next we need a few rubber bands, ear studs and rice for filling. So let's start with making the body of the snowman, and for this, a white socks is taken and cut just before the bend. We can use any greens for filling the socks. Here I am using rice. Let's start filling the socks. Occasionally, shake the socks while filling so that it gets filled well evenly. The top portion is tied tightly with a rubber band. Now we have to separate the head from the body using another rubber band. With your hands, gently shape the snowman. Open edges of red socks is cut and placed around the neck over the rubber band. Another socks is folded and used as the cap of the snowman. Now it's time for decorating our snowman. I'm using fancy studs for making the buckles. It's stunning, right? Another red socks is cut at the open end and further cut to make the scarf. It is carefully inserted to the red band around the neck. Eyes and nose are made using ear studs, black for eyes and red for nose. Now our charming snowman is ready. It is really easy, right? Give it a try.
If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notification. Stay tuned
And see you soon.
Dazzling Stars wishes you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.